Hi students, hope you are all fine. Exercise 1.3, first question. Verify the closure property for addition and multiplication for the rational numbers minus 5 by 7 and 8 by 9. Closure property for addition and multiplication. Closure property for addition. Take A is equal to minus 5 by 7, B is equal to 8 by 9. For closure property for addition, find A plus B. Minus 5 by 7 plus 8 by 9. Minus 5 by 7 plus 8 by 9. See the denominator, both are different. Find the LCM for 7 and 9. 7 and 9, no common factor. Therefore, 7 9s are 63 is the LCM. Change the 7 into 63, 7 into 9, minus 5 into 9, 9 into 63, therefore 9 into 7, in the numerator 8 into 7. Minus 45 by 63 plus 8 7s are 56 by 63. Now the denominator are equal 63 minus 45 plus 56. Both the sign are different. Put the biggest number sign and find the difference. Plus 56 minus 45, that is 11. 11 by 63, also a rational number. Therefore, here A is a rational number, B is a rational number. A plus B is also a rational number. Therefore, closure property for addition is verified. Now, closure property for multiplication. Take A is equal to minus 5 by 7, B is equal to 8 by 9. For closure property, find A into B. A into B is equal to minus 5 by 7 into 8 by 9. Minus into plus, minus 8 5s are 40 divided by 9 7s are 63. This is also a rational number. Therefore, closure property for multiplication is verified. For closure property for addition, add A plus B. For closure property for multiplication, multiply A and B. Therefore, closure property for addition and multiplication are verified. Closure property for addition and multiplication are verified. Verify the commutative property for addition and multiplication for the rational numbers minus 10 by 11 and minus 8 by 33. Verify the commutative property for addition and multiplication for the rational numbers minus 10 by 11 and minus 8 by 33. Commutative property for addition and multiplication. Commutative property for addition. For commutative property, a plus b is equal to b plus a. Take a is equal to minus 10 by 11. B equal to minus 8 by 33. Left hand side is equal to a plus b. First find a plus b. Minus 10 by 11 plus minus 8 by 33. Plus into minus, minus 8 by 33. That is minus 10 by 11 minus 8 by 33. Now see the denominator. Both are different. Find the LCM for 11 and 33. 1 11 is 11. 3 11s are 33. 3 1 1. 11 into 3, 33 is the LCM. For the first term, multiply by 3 in the numerator and denominator. Minus 30 minus 8 divided by 33. Minus 30 minus 8, that is minus 38 by 33. Here both the sign are negative, therefore put the minus and add the number. Now find the right side b plus a. B plus a is equal to minus 8 by 33 plus minus 10 by 11. Plus into minus, minus. Now find the LCM, that is 33. Don't change the first term. Second term multiply by 3. Minus 8 minus 30. Minus 8 minus 30 is equal to minus 38 by 33. Now see the equation first, that is left side. Both are equal. Therefore, from 1 and 2 we get a plus b is equal to b plus a. Therefore, commutative property for addition is verified. Now, commutative property for multiplication. For commutative for multiplication, AB is equal to BA. That is, A into B is equal to B into A. AB equal to BA. Let A is equal to minus 10 by 11. B is equal to minus 8 by 33. Left hand side, AB is equal to minus 10 by 11 minus 8 by 33. Minus into minus plus 10 into 8, 80. 11 into 33, 363. Therefore, 80 by 363, take it as equation 1. Now find the right hand side. BA minus 8 by 33 into minus 10 by 11 minus into minus plus, 8 tens are 80 divided by 33 into 11, 363. Take it as equation 2. From 1 and 2, we get AB is equal to BA. Therefore, commutative property for multiplication is verified. Third question, verify the associative property for addition and multiplication for the rational numbers. Associative property for addition. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Let A is equal to minus 7 by 9, B is equal to 5 by 6, C is equal to minus 4 by 3. Left hand side, A plus B plus C minus 7 by 9 plus 5 by 6 plus minus 4 by 3. First complete the bracket. Plus into minus is minus. Find the LCM of 6 and 3. LCM is 6. Therefore, second term you multiply 2 in the numerator and the denominator. 5 by 6 minus 8 by 6. Now you can subtract 5 minus 8 by 6. Both the term are different sign. Therefore, put the biggest number sign and subtract the number minus 3 by 6. Now plus into minus, minus. Find the LCM of 9 and 6. LCM is 3 into 3 into 2. 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 9 into 2 is 18. 6 into 3 is 18. Minus 14 divided by 18. Minus 9 by 18. Now minus 14 minus 9 by 18. Both the sign are equal. Therefore, add the number minus 23 by 18. Take it as equation 1. Now, right hand side, A plus B plus C. LCM of 9 and 6, 18. 9 into 2, 18. 6 into 3, 18. Plus into minus, minus. 7 2s are 14. Minus 14. 18 plus 15 by 18 minus 4 by 3 minus 14 plus 15 divided by 18. Both the sign are different. Put the biggest number sign and subtract. Plus 1 by 18. Minus 4 by 3. Find the LCM of 18 and 3. LCM is 18. 3 into 6 is 18. Minus 24 by 18. Now both the sign are different in the numerator. Therefore 1 minus 24 means minus 23 by 18. From 1 and 2 we get a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Therefore associative property for addition is verified. Now associative property for multiplication. A into BC is equal to AB into C. Let A is equal to minus 7 by 9, B is equal to 5 by 6, C is equal to minus 4 by 3. Left hand side, A into BC is equal to minus 7 by 9 into 5 by 6 into minus 4 by 3. Minus 7 by 9 into minus 20 by 18. Minus into minus plus 7 into 20. 7 2s are 14, 0, 140 divided by 18 into 9, 162. Take it as equation 3. Right hand side, AB into C is equal to minus 7 by 9 into 5 by 6 into minus 4 by 3. Minus 7 into 5 minus 35. 9 6 are 54 into minus 4 by 3. Minus into minus plus 140. 35 into 4 is 140. 140 divided by 162. Take it as equation 4. From 3 and 4 we get A into BC is equal to B AB into C. Therefore associative property for multiplication is verified.